Welcome to the Submission Intake Management System, an AI-powered system that enables the generation of dynamic optimized questionnaires, solving a major problem statement for the end customers and the agency users. It starts with the agency user logging into SIMS, where a dashboard shows every application organized by status. A new request can come in through multiple ways: an inbound email, a linked website form, or the agency user manually clicking Create Request. Basic customer details are captured, and the request is generated either by selecting coverages and building a questionnaire, using a predefined template, or reusing a previous customer's questionnaire. The moment the request is created, a unique application ID is generated, and the agency user can proceed to build the DOA, the dynamically optimized application. In the DOA builder, the agency user sees all questions relevant to the selected coverage. Grayed out checkboxes indicate system mandatory questions that cannot be removed. Beyond that, the agency user can hide questions from the customer, mark additional fields as mandatory, and reorder sections as needed. Once the questionnaire is set, they hit Send DOA. Before sending, they can preview and pre-fill the form on the customer's behalf. Hidden fields appear in a different shade. And once saved, the link is sent directly to the customer's email. The customer receives a branded email with the application link and basic instructions. They click through, verify their identity with a one-time authentication code, and land on the digital application. A mini tour walks them through the interface, which they can skip. Pre-filled details are visible and editable, hidden fields are out of sight, and a toggle lets them switch between all questions and mandatory-only view. Each section shows a count of mandatory, optional, and total questions. The customer can save progress and return later. The system also autosaves at regular intervals. Once all mandatory fields are filled, the customer can upload a schedule of hazard details if available. Attach supporting documents, including prior insurance records. Review the representations and warranties. Provide digital consent. And sign. And submit. A confirmation screen displays the application ID. And an automated email assures them the agency will follow up shortly. Back on the agency side, the submitted application appears in the In Review bucket. Each application tracks all versions, inbound and outbound, with the latest version tagged at the top. The agency user opens it, reviews all customer responses, and now has full visibility into the fields that were hidden from the customer. For GL and WC lines, an AI engine automatically maps class codes to each uploaded exposure, and a built-in AI chatbot assists the user in refining any code, complete with reasoning for its recommendations. If more information is needed, the agency user selects Seek More Information, adds remarks using it to reference a section and hashtag to reference a specific question, and sends it back. The application moves to pending. The customer receives another email with the remarks, and when they reopen the form, they're taken directly to the flagged sections and questions. Once the customer updates and resubmits the application returns to In Review. All modified fields are highlighted in blue, so the agency user instantly sees what changed. Once satisfied, the agency user previews the docket. For GL coverage, this includes Accord 125, Accord 126, Accord 211, the GL generic application, and the unified application with signature. All auto-populated. A single download generates a zip folder with every document, ready to go. If the agency user is satisfied with the completed application, it can be considered reviewed. Upon submission, the application moves to the reviewed bucket and is finalized and complete at this stage.